An aimime bhí goig ná ní a bhéon gail scailán, ní a bhéon scail il credabhachán, agus ní a bhéon scail gur féidir leis ag an amson bhí mac agus nín oring, agus ní a bhéon áid gohfuil siad bert dul ar scail le chéile. So anyway, so hosímar le feachtas beag san áid le cabhar ó Jacqueline Argus a bhíoch san gail scailna, seans gur bhúltú le Jacqueline a bhúltú bhí. Agus hosímar ag lorug a meic éon simig dína gail scail ilcredabh go bhada. Ní raibh ceann ann. Agus bhí sé simúil mar nuair a dhéanamar teanamháil le gail scailna, cé go ráidir ansásta cárúling hí chuna córa ceistán faoi nar cé fánach raibh scail Catholica going. Agus nuair a bhóla mar Educate Together, hí idir kind of árasach mar chunas gur féidir le bheith ilcredabhach agus a Lord na Gaeilge. Just so. Anyway, bhóla mar leis an Ryan ag an am. Agus no, ní chuinlumm díreach an fear bhí ann agus dúirt you can have any kind of scail that you want, he says, as long as there's a man in a frock in charge of it. Been a dúirt. So, either an dáling bhólas le Brown Don McCormack, yeah. Agus bhí séistearálum go ráidir is smaoinemh córas nua pátrúnta bhanú. Ach nach raibh éon scailacó chun é bhanú leis. So anyway, bhartíomar dul leis mar a hála sé an son, foras pátrún na scail na lán Gaeilge. Agus ba seo an céad scail a bhí faoi chóram an oris. So anyway, bhaníomar foras pátrúnta, doslíomar an scail, agus dúirt an Ryan nach raibh cad going í oscailt. So, doslíomar an scail gan cad. Mí man or no 3. Agus áméigint therefore no bhí na sauna thugad an cad going retrospectively. Scail oscailt. Kick out of Sherskut and agus bhí Bert Múntóra going ag an am, agus bhí mar a gíoch, I'd say no, Aligad Anlú dóibh Bert. No, see, I'm not good at names. Fiona, a bhí mar fríomhid an scail agus Quinomer, Iri, Ben Elibion. So anyway, on the scail le chéile, agus actually, ma tá túnan. Yen RTA clár oring ag an am an telefís le John Creedon a bhí mar an kind of an uáha bhí an clár. Agus dhéanadar agalibh le tuismóirí a bhí freisler an scail. Céan fá chuidir na páistí chuig na scail is sanna. Bhí seanna bhór ar fad. Kind of the opening shot was cuinlacha board agus was kind of soft focus agus an chéad rud a dúradh ná children in the country's first multi-denominational Gael Scoil celebrate the Hindu festival of Diwali. So been on kind of opening scene, right? Trí nach ar a bliana díag son viidir a géirí scoil bhonó hús i áideag na chundé bhó agus bhí rachar siúil a meach scoil Catholic a gan, scoil ilcredabhach, scoil Carnamart. Agus iarag oring just duine chuir chuig crinó an son. Just chun a bhíú cad a bhí ar siúil a gainde. A gorcaig, you see. So anyway, chuig colm ó chúna chuin a bhí mar fríomhid ag an am go Carnamart. Agus just be cormach leis an rud a tú leis an tape so, but anyway, the Chushes Jackson Shomer dúirt sé leom go raibh sin níomhnach sa Shomer, it be kind of got and dot here. Agus there was just no coming together. Anyway, so all right, okay. Oh, that's the old ramen of Ogle brother right there, yeah. So anyway, so vi sé bart a goine gan éan mulla hort a goine ach a rádó bhfuil seo a dhéanam marna an seo mar a hála sé agus lán stad, right? Gan éan mulla hort. So I dúirt colm anyway, thug sé an tape leis agus dúirt sé bhfuil seo an chlár profisiúnta a bhí nóig na fána gur the tiismóirí le chud páistí an scoil. Agus chuir sé an tape isteach, agus hostig an tape agus na chuilecha. Agus dúirt colm gur bhrísigh a gur sé driblóid nar a chúla sé taobhfíorta, oh Jesus, Mary and Joseph, 'tisn't even Christianity. Anyway, bon ag an scoil os díag an scoil in nócad 3 le ní nána bheoga agus I think stocha gur rang a héana going. Bhí 7 nó 8 go. We'll say there'll be the harke ní sinna ná an nódra fórach ní sinna ná the páist yoga, so you're a fartig the kind of the iad chur chuig na scoile well bhí sin níos éasca berta chur ná duine bhána chur. So anyway, sin mar a hála sé. Os líag man or nócha 3 agus tuga cad os tóga Jeremy Derriford nó Lorby sauna an son agus there was asíocht an ar gachrod an day. Nor dhéan mar fachtas ar reg na gailta a tí cairn ag an am the Cork examiner mar a bhíoch. So in a way the department were kind of embarrassed into it. But yeah, bhí níomh brenach mar arí de chuise ag an am. Agus chun na fíor na rá, níor thug sí éon cár doing. Yeah, bin é.
Agus just chun do sé bhí an an raibh mar an caint rih ná go trí le an práise sé bhí an nó hála sé ag gathh saoire an nó.
No, thosaíomar is tócha bliain ribh son, béidir mí Derriford, mí man mhór Derriford nó go dó thosaíomar a kind of a déanamh agus bhí template chun na fíor na rá ag gailscan ag an am, crinú bheith go gach seachtain ag an am céanna snáid céanna. Agus cápéisi a scapa ar fud na háid agus le héad agus rá bhfuil bemid agus bhí mar hús tigtarna in Mayfield an son dí ní de cád an crean eile is le ferdar a bhenim Jack Lynch tá sé fós agéanna sé agus gach déirdaí na stócha ag a 7 log bhí mar an ar fleagóir clig agus tháinig daoine agus kind of just was sin mar a hála. The kind of bhí sé me cuideachó mar gur gailing a bhí an, sé me cuideachó mar gur ilcredach a bhí an, sé me cuideachó mar just gur scoiláitiúil nó a bhí an. Yeah, sin mar a hála agus just gach ile 7 na stócha ar feag beidir tréimh sé sé nó 7 mí sí a crinóga.
So bhí measc an de so is daoine ann is measc an de mínta na rudí a bhí a tastáil agus bhí barna ann a daobh scoil.
Well, ar lí bhí barna ó thaobh nach raibh an gailscoil nach raibh an scoil credabhachán agus nach raibh an scoil tugann tú ar na spéirlan ó scoil chalíní agus páistí.
Cóid sois.
Cóid, yeah. Cóid achas, ní raibh, so, so náid bhí scoil na Buachlaí ar Gardiner's Hill, bhí scoil na Chalíní, nó maybe the Chalíní ar Gardiner's Hill na Coinum, St. Patrick's, scoil de Héabhaglas na Hérnach, St. Luke's, Counts Glen. Yeah, so ní raibh so kind of de bhí. Agus ag an am, again, ní raibh kind of just brúchar an Rhine, Haspáint go raibh páistí le dul ann, agus go raibh kind of an Iachar or Fad, I mean, has point go make to an postí they go to go gone or 3 blian mar sure ní lang go blian díis number sin, you know. But hosí mar le is stocha trocha post number sin. Yeah, but well big na fiorchi some law roll anyway, yeah.
Spéisiúil as tú an roiin agus an tarlan sin ní brannach an ceirfaoin stáisiúí sí.
Oh, die worden maar kouder erbij. Oh, één, yeah. No. Die worden maar. It was, you know, Farah told who coward doing, Tomer Fad Kerkesh on him, you know, what's wrong with the bishops? Why can't you just take one of the bishops? I guess in Fars and Ryan, you know. Skyler Bay, he said, a man in a frock, he said, again, sir, you could have any school you want. So I said no. So Shin Fogger gur Vonniemer for us patron to know. So yeah, so Brown Don McCormick couldn't fear nor on a chora fad. But simul is again because they can now near have better educate together or agarhe achanerid. So yeah, we were kind of feeling our way, you know.
So Rudy a gahrún sin in 2008 die Dave sin we can date sin tarlu 2008 Master nu.
Nearly ago, kind of fear nor we should dacker ag an and just I'm a stubborn bastard. So shin mar harlishe. You know, Jennifer Eric Lord lesson English Catholic par humple just kind of has bond to nach romer kind of a gunne posti Catholic Catholic na skale. But you know scale grandor on canonach áitiúil canonach an dálaigh fear mór le gailge agus nar a chuair sé gur a gailscoile tuairsnú bhí sé rád a roiine ná do chuid fáistí a chur na gailscoile then nar a chuair sé gur scoil credh an say he was referred to as the godless gailscoil. You know, so yeah, so I kind of bhí sé dachar mar ní a bhéon template an chun é anamh agus dúirt fin tú kind of I mean, and you see the Montori or Fad chat amach as either Colossians 3 on the Catholic no Agnes na Héireann, there was no, and there still isn't mar sin I mean tá na hagla sí gannas an cuasa luna does mean you know. So yeah, so just a geary I guess you know a geary even few Montori curfi agla, you know, I could have beer or a ik op een Gaelscoil a dús agus an tarna Háidsscoil ilcredach agus níor thugmar na cad do na tuis den na Montori éon credh a bhóna sa scoil. Bhí sé an rudí anamar ná thugmar le lá dus na páistí an géadaín agus thugmar an scoil an son sé neisce éon drom has to go rang a credh a bheith go sa scoil. So sin an kind of an rudí anamar ná.
Sin an meúna bhí agé so
yeah. Just fies for córa ó educate together that you know nor well nío educate together ach ó chuitas na scoilne that má géalann tú the grom ó bháin rangan a bheith go sa scoil I lár am scoile you know big dína teach amach as an chuile chuine a lorg áite, you know. So she really anywhere create name or stock I don't know dóig an tlógan an géadín agus do gwine nor has to go in you know denominational education a bheith có déta siad na páistí chuir do bhaile agus mas has to go in then this show around on the outside. So you know we should go for more for is the páistí Catholic maybe round the so that was it. It was a new paradigm.
Sure.
You know.
Agus tú Carna Mart and sin bhí cín eile in sin nach leo agus an neacha tú a ceirú do cná tort cóirla dá siúd nó
yeah a raibh kind of cóirla uhu hugamar dó ach you see anhimúil ar fad ó héamh scoile ó héamh banistíoch scoile is ro Dionach part-time sure okay So mas rode nach mi an de free vide an kind of level agus an tishkin céna ditse. You haven't a hope. You know, I mean, shin dirake. I mean, it's you know, diana gíireacht mar hampla go Lewis and scéal again ahrú go scoil Catholic ahrú go scoil gomecht na rang na Catholic tabi stick down scoil agus, you know. But you know, the biggest kind of doch dangen raw no ní cad and need him con géile now. Bhíon bonús tlathán, seans nach raibh, but just I stuck it out. You know, so in a scoile then, so I mean tá annach chuid yeah, look, ein scoil then a hosig an son kind of Dakar this féidir corla húd dóibh ach you know, maybe better gun and tape side than scale show, just if you don't mind.
Yeah.
Mar hampla an gael scoil ilcredda bachatá Eoin Ó Laoire. You know, ní clíonn siad leis na teoracha, suppose teoracha a bhí aghine. And táis agam gur raibh annach chuid triblód idir an caithfhirlaigh ag an am agus an príomhaid ag an am. Mar raibh an príomhaid ará bhfuil seo mar a táimse chun é dhéanamh. Agus is cumaineom. You know, so agus má thairlíonn sé sin, you know, bíonn sé an Dakar, mar bhíos páirteach san feachtas a bhí an triblód a bhí hús chun den mí ag an am. Currach
an príomhaid ar scór
yeah, Joe. The bhíos no ón taobh móach, you know, the bhí orm dul you know, today, tonight, no, rud éigean chun é sin kind of a bhíú a roiine agus bhíos ar Jerry Ryan ar feagóir le láháin ar an radio. Agus bhí an, you know, INTO i do chuine, bhí an Catholic Primary School Management Association i do chuine, bhí an Ryan chun na fíor nará i do chuine.
Cén fá an Into?
Into is only a branch office of the there's a branch office of the CPSMA basically. Yeah, well no, sin mar a bhíoch. No, níl táimse, you know, aire as bheith páirteach mé munscalaíocht le trocha bliain nos stocha. Agus but ag an am, bhí mar hampla ar an comisiún an choirigh scoilne ar feag, I don't know, chuig nach ceir bliana. The Murray Commission mar ochtar agus no mar tugacha agus bhí sé an mór just fechan ar an two-hander of your shoe like an INTO and CPSMA, you know, on the one hand, on the other hand, you know. Agus you know, which is symbol just the way the forests agus and educate together were kind of sidelined by the pair of them, you know. It was a tishkin to the other job. No, shin like an Jerem kind of Joe Tool like an arm mar Rooney gin rather 90, so that's a long time ago, you know. But yeah, there was a two-hander, and sure the Department of Education then would be a known hotbed for the Knights of Columbanus economics.
Yeah.
So you know.
So bhí sé go smior a stocks na Ranóí agus na Institute.
Yeah. So sin ceantas na fáin ar churis just iris ar on Highland be Portugal and more Panistéach like mar fi at least ar a leid tiiscintí ar an tríd a bhí siúd an scoile bhunú im nachlí agus kind of this was a, you know, a variation on a theme or there, right?
Sure.
Yeah, so this is going actually sin symbolish now. A few years ago, fi láthir céhíad scoil na ilcreadh atá sa tír atá lán fi mar gael scoil na.
Chomh meach seo ar áras an dús é nu mar sin.
Well, does it now? Sean Scoil, yeah.
Agus tá cinn tá idir cred book freisin.
Oh, they're into use the other credible, then that's shin
and VA
Niels Costa or Fad,
sure.
Yeah. Yeah, so that was Girls School in Gardaling. Nócha 3, Kate Ceann. Agus sin na fágur buníoch an foras. Stocha goras léad ceann i glúin meile gar an níoch son agus beidir cloch na chuilte. Dwi'n meile cloch na chuilte. Skibbereen na stocha gur Scoil Catholic bhí an son. Ceann sa bhlár na stocha gur Scoil Catholic bhí an ag an faoin bhoras. Yeah, so níl time just as an rud os stocha nó go hocht noch an lei.
So bhí tú ar an mát ar feich cúig bliain in mar sin.
Bhís ar mór sa Gael Scoil agus bhís ar board foras patron na Scoil an Gaeilge freisin.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, agus nuair a bhís ar mór an son cá seall ar stocha ceithre bliain ar an comisiún an Chorach Scoilne an son. If he's son like planál kind of fast na Scoilne agus lehéid. Seans go capé sí anna himóla a cosúdan is.
Se tá rointas an cápéis.
Yeah.
So luí tú an príomhéid agus nó treis bónú na scoile céir é an dúchlan bhá an cinán na clí leis na teiricií agus an cultúir sin.
Well, it's talking culture of honor those more. You know, a template on you see.
Yeah.
So we were kind of making it up as we went along, you know, a geary kind of a very focused festalupa and stalupacht agus a very log sometimes were mixed up, you know. So yeah, so there's toch an dárod an speciaal woller fad. Détá beag nach éon rud ará ó héamh policy ach an dárod a bheith racán tá mar fad ná éadí scoile agus cuasaí creative. Taobh mód son nó an give a shit. You know. Yeah, just simple an him ar fad.
Cain policy éadí scoile bhí agus.
Oh, just the scholar, just the scholar on agus the, you know, whatever it was, Gansy agus trousers agus, you know, but it was just no, go to moim, ban on himself, own your himself. Yeah. So that's it. They were in Darrod. Yeah, that was basically it. But yeah, Simul agus. Yeah, bhí mar stig an son in Furgnef nach raibh go ró Jasper at least was a Furgnef agus bhog siad an son go dtí prefabs ar feig. I'd say beag nach fé bliain an stocha. Yeah, Scoil an Jas a chun is. Tá sé feice go bhfuil. Ó nach bhfuil. Oh Jesus, it's well worth a look.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, no. It's on a Furgnef a chun is now. But níl sé roscail dach le, I'd say 3 nó 4 bliain an os. You know. Yeah, I'd say cúig bliain yeah. And yeah, that was it.
Agus a Dave like ar dramní eile bhí hart ag an am beile dramní Gaeilge agus mar sin deir cúna na Gaeilge nó or dramní eile ceirú liv.
De bhí tá dramas á Corcaig agus tá sé tá cafe a chun is stig sa chair. Gaeltacha, yeah. Yeah, anna chorach ar fad. Bhí bert ara son ag an am actually fer dar a bennim Padraig ó Chonacháin agus fer eile taig ó dúhain thugad ar an cáir doing freisin ó héamh na Gaeilge agus bhí an him acu ó héamh na Gaeilge agus thugad ar cáir doing. Yeah, Gael Scoilne an you know, Jacqueline Yargus. Bhí fer dar a bennim to bheith beidir a hena go ar an is Pádio Linard mar kind of bhí sé bunathe sa Scoil a going achtaí ach bhí sé gobar a Gael Scoilne just a géirí choral le Scoilne a bhunú, so bin pádi. Stoch, bhfuil sé fórsa títe ceir, ní chuin lem.
Ní dá bhfuil.
Na
Ar
bhfuil.
luir sé asar de tá marí ní gáire ná.
Oh yeah, tá ceart go, yeah. Anyway, bin pádi, so cá sé seall ag obair de gael scailne. Yeah, bhí daoine cosúla Brown McCormack anna chorach ar fad agus an drám tháinig isteach mar a kind of bhuail den boras. Yeah, but near like mar a derim near a vein kind of template going, you know, bhí mar géirí kind of scéim nua chuir a bhaim, but bhí sé simúil agus táirg leis, you know. So that's basically it.
Céir sppraig tú hain dul a drán a bheith agus cough.
Well, you see, rugg a dibberdarn me, a cos ar scail is tócha in áid gur kind of bracgelt at the house of bhean, ní fear bracgelt at the bhean ach bhí fearach chunamara mar bhúntóir bunscail agam. Agus ó heh bhí sé anna himúil má Eoin Ó Laoire níor a bhéin Gaeilge cé, ach Áir níor a bhéin Béarla cé. So kind of de bhíoch an scéal sin sa tiga agus mé fás níos, you know, agus an son yeah, bhí maithir ó den iarcéirí kind of slíomh locra, so kind of just bhí kind of Gaeilge hartóiring an tamar fad. Cé nach an príomhcheanna bhí an, but just it was always, you know, there was a, yeah, just to be sé an, so. Agus ma bhain chéan son chuaigh si go dtí an scoil sa dagan, scoil agus sa dagan Cláistíide, agus bhí si féin den na móna Galáistin fíorsa go lean mair, so kind of bhín Gaeilge an dá heh.
So múntáir is sé.
Yeah, múntóir is sé, yeah.
Feargan á ní múntáir tú sa ní.
No, feargan á ní sé, yeah.
Right.
Yeah. Cás seanna móna.
Yeah,
cás kind of blian na móna. Ach dair is as an nédia 8-5 no mar sin. 8-5-8-6. So den no do as him an bachtas scalascult. Yeah, so anyway, it was simul.
Agus an gné ilcredvach céirle hógóí.
Well, hastig kunna fearna or hastig scail gan credible.
Yeah.
Right, just Lánstad. Ach dóraglum sa rain, patience a bhí agam scalascult is scail ilcredvach. And agus ba bhí an chance a bhí an é sin oscult. Ach da me gan scail gan crediv Lánstad the bheith rack sa tír agus so, you know, mar de bhein go person de bhín dóran gur rod person on credit the way, and that, you know, the French, the Germans, they all have it right, you know, that's it. You ta idachas fi chorum an staid agus ta credit fi chorum an clown an taglish, no, you know. But anyway, but in Nocha 3 that was a bit too radical, so you know. So sin an tain rod a dort near Bernaclum, again you know, nach er isteach scoil gan credit. When you big chance to light got.
Right.
So, okay, right then, we'll compromise.
Right.
He'll credit.
Too small and a hybrid, so.
Yeah. So she more or less, yeah, so just be something door. Now, rugg more fáistí, more Catholic. Cé nach ra bhéin simagum sa rud, but you know, but so just gonna hashpoint gur féidir scoil ilcredibh go good agus na páistí a bheith cuma cén crediv, but anyway, right, that's it. So they were brought up and they did their communion agus le age, you know. But yeah, but comparison to just campus nach ra bhéin nor chóir de scoil bheith páirteach I gúrsaí crediv.
Agus bhí luútam an rankin sin agus a raibh taistil at daintas san áit sin nó raibh.
Well, the bhíos the cás cúpla bliana in chonaí sa Garamáin, riamhteach do bhaile agus just the big simagum with Gorsi the anyway, agus the Gorsi politics, so the big are notice kind of, you know, we kind of ready more son, you know.
We carried in a Munley as far now.
Yeah, you see, yeah, just a fair there, can see in tier head or the guess, you know, just fair there, you know. Yeah, to be, yeah, I suppose even econom, you know, to be shit, dochret, or not rev, Bachawine, on your Highland, Gorev, Goxgal, Satir, Free Quorum, Uglish, the High Second.
Sure.
You know, Kegor, Togo, you know, national school system there.
Yeah, you know. Still she go to took it out.
Oh yeah, sure, yeah.
Reen on Star,
yeah.
Ray Colleen.
Yeah, well, sure, on what can you the course is launched, you know, down the hospital, Free Quorum, you know, the bond scores, no, the Mercy, you know, Perod, you know. So it's
so we took a lot of them touring go really seen a scar on start.
Yeah, I mean, it's kind of interesting to be hospice for the dying. The Viet Gawkianaco, Wellington Road, right? You're a Catholic hospital for the dying and the Protestant hospital for the dying. So if you kind of a Gorsi credit, a Gorsi slot, a Gorsi Bosch, you know, that's it, you keep them apart basically.
Yeah.
So we should simul come somewhere, who's our style nation to biog fuin do le Bert Moon tour. But we probably had about maybe fair fun gay that we Saglish na Heron, the Frasler and Sky. So maybe that was a kind of something else maybe that the Currish Dakar you know, so the compromise there was a clever one. So the Viach Corsi credit on Man Lake di Lahore Trish. Actually now I'm loaned that Lahore Trish Doya Godina Hen. But the Pashti on Aglish the Heron, they actually do all Man Lake, that the high glow.
In a cow rate.
Yeah.
Can't buy that.
The Bala on a bigger fallagus is skull Duntanish and Balach, either Lately, either Dorlasela, Agus Bali Herberdorn, you know, just Bali Bugger or Crossfor, Balak National School, but I just need to go Ken Fog or go march in the Hard, she in the Hard, right? That was it, you know. I like more Griffo Rogue, while you like and the Vam, Agus Stewart. Maybe you should see. Is Nolan Johnson a Protestant or a farmer? Or the Michi a do she and the with used to happen, of course, in we'll say to Sakon Torig, no, the lads a while ago they were give a hand in the field or whatever to be, because they were farmer sons. So if we go kind of the kind of a dull on Sky, you know, the Protestant or a farmer. Anyway, so ni vorto saying chance cash na chorum. So anyway,
well, just I mean, the point is, they came fragger hat in Oirere, go ahead, listen, all this, Ryan, of course, Patron of the. Well, I'm going to educate together. If you said law or stuff, maybe kind of Bona Hori educate together.
Yeah, more of going. Yeah. Agus kind of feared for us. Anna could call o previously exolar for the tira. You know, the various non kind of lech or a robble Cadian Tussa. You know, anish. You know, we say more home than a stack there. My right to have an education within the school time, and care the fragger before them that's just that kind of cower my son, you know. So be there on a chorker fat, you know. As coilium educate together a limnach mar home in the coilium anam the madan the shaka fiakshi anna them. And then neurosliak on skull then haniganya meramord banishtichte again cam head, you know.
Dus je denkt eigenlijk Hannes en Schaftories en hoop
the way you see that's right, yeah. So been there, done that. Bought the t-shirt kind of job, you know. So anyway, no, fishy going to Grafad. Yeah, so that was it. Yeah. So,
Pulatóirí an sin, pulatóirí áitiúil.
an taon duine a bhí cabhrach dóing I ré an rud fad ná Maureen Quill a bhíoch mar TD le Fianna Fáil agus chuig an son go dtí na PDs.
Oh, sure.
Yeah, but bhí Maureen anna chorach fad. Been an taon duine. You know, a lot of lip service when we opened. Oh, glad you got that done, you know. But no, Maureen bhí she on. You know, dagrig she kind of, you know, the bhíoch, you know, feibhne le cuasaí planála, you know, kind of agéirí, kind of furig na bheitharú go, you know, or derlick size effectively got the skyl, you know, we should and Maureen would track us through the process and you know, so there was you know, and agus ní go raibh an kind of, you know, factus mór on bhí better fair clown, you know, it was going to give her a kind of a majority in a Dáil election, but you know, no, just that she was syndicated or agus you know, hug she on a hard doing her fad. Yeah.
Agus an raibh nascaní an sin le bhfuil tú roint na gaelscoil ní eile ach raibh nascaní le gaelscoil sa chathair nó cín sa gaeltach nó aonrad mar sin.
No, ní dólam go raibh, ní raibh aonrad fuair máilta agus sin rud sí and I suppose is mission den mí cheart llite mar an ceisian a chur because you know the bhísigéirí kind of a chur faoi smacht agus bhí páist yoga gom agus idir an dáró den bhí orm you know, dulgadí bloody crinethe sa scail agus you know I just rud an himólar fad láháin tháinig seicisteach chum something like, you know, £15,250 agus dúirt na bhain céile Christ, can í an tusa obair den raine dachas. I said, near yet, we'll set our check on so with the Dutch. So, we on check, the Eoin Ó Laoire for 15,000 kip and Acton Scully on. We said, lads, this is fucking prone to stupidity, you know. So, so Curtis Lager and Ryan said, oh no, it doesn't hire the Scully, so it's Dutch. And Argus. I mean, the opportunity for skullduggery was just they're awake in duration, you know, they're at Ruard and Shamshin, but that'd be it,
He should quick in school,
Yes, he's done school, but basically, so if you're in the nation, I could have stuck him a hunter's fade, and then just stupid stuff.
Anyway. Was a graduation lesson Ryan.
But you see, on the vehicle shoot, you see, was chance score. I mean, all the career like up the sky like an soccer avianta.
So we should he knew in Anum.
Yeah.
The checking is new season.
Yeah. Just a little really big machine, you know. Just was just showed you where Mion started.
Sure.
Yeah. Anyway, she made.
Roost. So okay. Cúpla ceiste nach an sin buine amach an ís a bhí lintan a bhí dús buine amach
buine amach, yeah. Cinnte, yeah. They're just caiit ó féchan ar an scail níos agus ar an siomh down agus ar an méid páiste dá you know. Just it's yeah. Now an rud a simúla ná níl ciúd a leidig duine có chunascór buníoch an scail agus an stair atá taobh mar hána ar isteach beidir, you know.
Fiú na mil
an drama sinna táin beidir hána ar isteach déim líontar soscail na scaile, you know. So it's you know, it's kind of simúil gur ní mín. Agus then, you see, nuair a bhí an scail bunathe agus a gobar, well, chaile simsar an son. You're has to go and pay mar vanistóir ar scail, mar vanistóir you know, board banistíochta. You know, GP can all around. I'd hear in the bob like and get on with it, you know.
Yeah.
So it was on the quite it's an interesting kind of a system whereby you're rud Jonah town and then you have a professional staff. So there here how Mr. Rud at on brevid a hardly.
Nadine time will boom
That's right,
yeah. Nadine John.
Yeah. I think that's on the scenes.
Sure.
You know. They've done on Simico. And they have the vested interest, so, you know. So, and Masro they go with good lianche, no she le kind of leis an fiche atá ag bunahór na scoilne, well then Irene leis agus you know, anna himúil fad féchant scoilne agus Irene an board as taobh de blian go.
Tries over bunathe.
Yeah, just the ground down by the pre-vida in many cases.
So it's on channel sin now in around school and agus soorte má réiti and she'd like hey oiling go bra tarn and she not réiti and what
you know, so anyway.
Cash oscut the cash down of King Fog will and Greg agus and over a father in it too. So he's go ahead.
Well, it's all yeah. Tá Simagum sa gailing. Tá Simagum is tos to changa. Tá rud ag an caiilte going nó nach bhfuil ar changa féin going. But himúil fad, you know, so chuirte ceist an man son, you know, an náisiúlachas mé agus ní hé, you know. So yeah, it's tócha gur five na jaman and so now gur, you know, it's a bit like our tricolour. It's grabbed by people, you know, and you know, so kind of on fog here gur have kind of communication to get you together like now, you know, couldn't scribble that fame or scully credit because going an article. Agus an teveli came from our Catholic who was going good. You know, so there's a mask on the Redeemer Son, you know, so it's agus is stocha, you know, ten chance at I can chang and though but the ten chance better chance spragus a tier no na scoilne mar tá gail tí fáil báis, so you know, agus sin ceisteach míochta agus ceis policy, you know, but sin scéile.
Agus an tauch im sin luúte an tauchi, so he's a scoilne nu came.
Well, I tell you, gan Craig Blin ní bheith Eoin Ó Laoire mar príomh again as a tier, so yeah, sin no sin níl bestúla sin. Well, just captain gur mar sin atá sé dal, you know. Tá caralum ó hiri agus caim, you know, der seach na leis an. Taobh móda do riine de mí séin, you know, níl mór an fág an. You know, so you know, ní léon chorus ach na míochtas dócha chun takeúla riine fannacht an áid agus, you know, I mean, tá níos mó bratnis cloiste go me gardah ná gailín go an éireann. That kind of critical mass that's required in show, you know. Wait more. No, you know.
Cuasaí starra is óchas.
Oh yeah, cuasaí starra, cuasaí is anna himúil fad déanam on genealogy dom clown. So bí me léh capéisi, you know, atá fácán and nílach dá cheanga á úsáid ag. So births, deaths and marriages. O 8 trocha, 8 caige. Gá cheanga úsáid. Béarla agus Latin. Níl few is one single birth or death go nana mascailge. So, you know, we English is free, English Catholic is free, and Start is free, and yeah, it's no, you know, yeah, I don't know, years ago, it's but ní bhéon dóchasach. de bhéon dochas agus docha, yeah.